Right. Today I am going to discuss about the special type of inflorescence. Generally, the special type of inflorescence are three types. First one is verticell aster, second one is cyathium, third one is hypanthodium. Actually, the special type of inflorescence are not mentioned in the NCERT books, and the special type of inflorescence are mentioned in Telangana state first year botany textbook. Okay? So that's why we have to mainly focus on Telangana state MSET. Okay? Na? So the many questions are asking from the types of inflorescence. Okay? Na? So in this video I am going to discuss about the cyathium. Cyathium is the one type of special type of inflorescence. So here cyathium, what is the definition of cyathium? A special type of cymose inflorescence resembling a bisexual flower. So bisexual flower, this is called cymose inflorescence. A cymose inflorescence, it is a special type of cymose inflorescence. It is resembling a bisexual flower is called cyathium. This is the definition of the cyathium. In the cyathium inflorescence, peduncle is convex in shape. Peduncle is convex in shape. So this is the cyathium inflorescence. In cyathium inflorescence, this is the peduncle. This peduncle is modified into receptacle. So this is a modification of the peduncle. On the peduncle, the many flowers, male and female flowers are arranged in the cymose manner. Okay, na? Right. This is the receptacle of peduncle. So the peduncle is convex in shape. So next, what are the characters of the cyathium inflorescence? So in cyathium inflorescence, all bracts are modified into cup shaped involucre. This is the most important character of the cyathium inflorescence. So what is the involucre? All bracts of female flowers and male flowers in cyathium are modified into cup shaped involucre. So this is the cyathium inflorescence. This is a modification of bract. So this is involucre. Involucre is cup shaped bract. Okay, na? So this is the most important character of cyathium. Okay, na? Inside this is the involucre bract. Inside the cup shaped bract, the many male and female flowers are arranged in the cymose manner. Okay, na? Right. Next, a single female flower, a single female flower is present at the center of the receptacle, okay na? So this is the female flower. A single female flower is present at the center of the receptacle or peduncle. This is the peduncle. On the peduncle, a single female flower is present at the center of the receptacle of peduncle. So this is a single female flower. This is the single female flower. This single female flower is called tricarpellary, syncarpus superior ovary. So this is the characters of the female flower in the Cyatheum. In Cyatheum, on the receptacle, at the center of the receptacle, a single female flower is there. That a single female flower with tricarpellary syncarpus superior ovary. So this is the single female flower. So next, what are the male flowers? The male flowers are present around the single female flower. So that is the locations of male flowers. Okay, a male flowers are many. See here, many male flowers are present around a single female flowers. Okay na? So many male flowers are present around the single female flower. See here, this is the female flower. The female flower is present in the center of the receptacle. On the both sides of the single female flower, the male flowers are present around the single female flower. So this is the, see, this is a one male flower. This is a one male flower. This is also one male flower. Here, like this, many male flowers are present around the single female flower. So this is the male flowers. So like this, like this, many female flowers are present around the single female flower. So this is a one male flower. This is a one male flower. Like this, many male flowers are present around the single female flower. So what is the male flowers arrangement? The male flowers are arranged like a centrifugal manner arrangement of flowers in a Cyatheum inflorescence. Means what is a centrifugal manner? First, at the center of the male flowers are open, then later that peripheral side of the flowers are open. First this flower is open, then this flower is open, like this opening of flowers from the center to periphery. Like this arrangement is called centrifugal arrangement. Okay na? Right. In this Cyatheum, the flowers are male or female flowers, male or female flowers, female flowers are naked flowers, naked and pedicellate flowers, pedicellate and unisexual flowers, unisexual flowers. So these are characters of the flowers in Cyathium. In Cyathium, the male and female flowers are naked, pedicellate and unisexual flowers. So these flowers are arranged in monocacial scaphoid sign. So here male flowers are present. Here this is the at the center of the Cyathium inflorescence, female flower is there. Around the female flowers, many male flowers are arranged in the monocacial scaphoid sign. This is the most important character of the female flower in the Cyathium. In a Cyathium inflorescence, male flowers are arranged in a monocacial scaphoid sign. In a Cyathium inflorescence, male flowers are arranged around the single female flower with monocacial scaphoid sign. Female flowers are present at the center of the receptacle of peduncle. So these are some characters of the Cyathium inflorescence. Again, one of the most important character of the Cyathium, that is this is the involucre bract. On the rim of the bract, so nectar secreting glands are there. Nectar secreting glands are present on the rim of the involucre bract. So this is a nectar glands. Here nectar glands are there. Like this, on the surface of the involucre bract, you will observe nectar secreting glands. The nectar secreting glands are present on the rim of the bract is the main character of the Cyathium inflorescence. Okay, na? So nectar secreting glands are present on the rim of the bract of involucre in Cyathium. So this is the most important character in Cyathium inflorescence. Okay, na? So this is the some characters of Cyathium inflorescence. In Cyathium inflorescence is observed in Euphorbiaceae family members. Euphorbiaceae family members. What is the taxonomic position of Euphorbiaceae family? See here, the Cyathium inflorescence is observed in Euphorbiaceae family. Euphorbiaceae family members having that is a Cyathium inflorescence. What is the taxonomic position of Euphorbiaceae family? That is subclass is monoclamidius. Next, what is the monoclamidius condition? The parent is arranged in one one one. Okay, na? So this is the monochlamydias. But in Cyathium inflorescence, there is no sepals. This is the most important character in Cyathium. In Cyathium inflorescence, there is no sepals or petals. Sepals or petals. This condition is called achlamydias. Achlamydias. So in Cyathium, achlamydias condition is there. Okay, na? So in this flowers in Cyathium inflorescence, that there is no any sepals or petals, this condition is called achlamydias. Okay, na? Right. See, in taxonomic position of Euphorbiaceae family, subclass is a monochlamydias and series is a unisexuales. This is the series of the Euphorbiaceae family. So next family is Euphorbiaceae. Family is Euphorbiaceae family. You know, Euphorbiaceae family you will observe in Cyathium inflorescence. What are the examples of Cyathium inflorescence? The first one is Euphorbia, and that is the second example for Cyathium, poinsettia. Poinsettia is also example for the Cyathium inflorescence. Okay, na? So this is the Cyathium inflorescence. It is the most important character of Euphorbiaceae family. Okay, na? So in Cyathium inflorescence, so here this is the peduncle. The peduncle is modified into convex shape, that is called receptacle. On the receptacle, male and female flowers are arranged inside the cup shape of the involucre. On the peduncle of receptacle, the single female flower is formed. This is the single female flower. This single female flower is called tricarpellary syncarpus superior ovary. Again, around the single female flower, the many male flowers are arranged in the monocacial scaphoid cyme. So next on the surface of the involucre bract, the rim of the involucre bract, we observe that is the nectar glands are there. That nectar glands are secreting the nectar. Okay, na? So this is the complete structure of the Cyathium inflorescence. In Cyathium inflorescence, observed in the Euphorbiaceae family, that examples for Cyathium, Euphorbia and poinsettia. What is the taxonomic position of Euphorbiaceae family? Subclass is monochlamydias and series is unisexualis. Family is Euphorbiaceae family. Okay, so this is the Cyathium inflorescence. Okay.